First of all, let us look at the design of concrete columns. In the corresponding dialog, you will first have an overview of the elements listed in the design group, as well as general information about their geometry. Please note that only elements with a similar cross-section can be designed together as a group. In the design, the column will be studied as an independent system. For this reason, the tab Fixation Degree is necessary to specify which boundary conditions are considered at the top and bottom of the columns. This isn't automatically related to the global model and can therefore be different to better fit for the design. In the tab Forces, we see a list of all the force vectors for each load cases and each column at their top and bottom. They can be filtered for a better overview and control. Once all system parameters have been set, we can finally focus on the ULS verifications. In the tab Design, various settings can be adjusted, such as accounting for eccentricity or creep. The software will calculate on the go a preview in the dialog for a first estimation. These results can also be stored in the Revit file as parameter, in order to share them with people who do not have access to SOFiSTiK programs and data. Additionally to bending and compression design, it is also possible to perform a simplified fire design in the tab Construction.